to go to your namesake, Nikhil, because my colleague Nikhil Lakhwani is also joining us at this point from Neeraj. It's been a festive day all through at Neeraj Chopra's hometown. But what is the situation there at this point? Is there a tinge of disappointment that perhaps he's not coming back with a gold medal?
Well, clearly there is a sense of disappointment that the dream for the gold, particularly in the Paris Olympics, appears to be shattered, and the energy of the same can be experienced right at this place, which is outside the residence of Neeraj Chopra. A lot of people, a lot of the local community, they gathered here in huge numbers, so to say, because this is something which is very unusual time, especially for those people who are living in the village-like place, which is not just properly in Panipat. In fact, this is in the Khandra portion of the Panipat, and these are the local people who have gathered here, and we will try to speak to some of the people here who have come from different sides. Abhishek ji, आप वहीं पे रुकिए. So it is a bit difficult to talk to some of the people. राजकुमार जी, आपसे हमारी पिछली दफा भी बात हुई थी जब टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स में हमने इनको गोल्ड लेते हुए देखा था. इस बार क्या आपको लग रहा है कि क्या होने वाला है अभी, क्योंकि ऐसा लग रहा है कि गोल्ड अब बड़ा मुश्किल है, दूर होता जा रहा है.
नहीं, मुश्किल तो नहीं है. लास्ट थ्रो बची हुई है. नीरज का ये रहा है, वो लास्ट में भी थ्रो करता है. पिछले एशियन गेम में भी लास्ट थ्रो में ही आया था, तो हमें अभी उम्मीद बाकी है.
उम्मीद अभी बाकी है. So this is the word which is coming in from all those people who have been knowing Neeraj since the very start, and these are the local people who have seen him struggle, who have seen him doing all the required things which is mandatory when you play such a sport. So this is something which can be felt here, right? And on the other side there is setup for the big screen as well, which is being shown to you by Vijay Abhishek, and this has been done by the family members for the facility of all those local people, local community who have gathered to see and experience as to what exactly the mood is going to be like. But clearly, Ritanshu, what we can confirm, as soon as Neeraj appears on screen, these people start cheering up for him. No matter how many fouls has been given so far, but there is still a chance which is currently, at least these people are expecting. But it appears like the gold dream has been shattered. But let's see as to what exactly is going to unfold exactly from this particular game, because silver is something which appears to be very much confirmed. And these are the people who are cheering yet again for Neeraj Chopra, and this is okay. So this was somewhere up around 8-0. So this is something which is currently being seen from this particular place.